This is a Clearline SSF Micro Distribution fibre cable. Stronger, safer and faster to terminate than any other fibre cable. And now we've made it rugged, so it's even stronger thanks to the additional layer of fiberglass yarns and a rugged outer jacket. Clearline Rugged Micro Distribution cable is ideal for outdoor installations in ducts without the added cost of an armoured cable. It's rodent resistant, so those pesky little critters can't chew all your data up. It's UV resistant, so sunlight won't affect it. And best of all, it's still easy to install through ducts, unlike a chunky armoured cable. And this cable is also riser rated for indoor use. Check out clearlinefibre.com to find out more.